Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video by AMatterOfCrime, and the title is Racist Angry Woman Attack Frontier Agent. Man, I don't know what's been going on at the airports lately, man. We just dropped another video that was about that happened at the airport, man. Man, people just want to check in and check out, man, but they got a lot going on, man. Let's see.
Give me my phone so I can call my mama.
You're not going to call the one for now, okay? Relax.
Hey Siri.
Relax.
Hey Siri, get the off of me.
Listen,
Get off of me.
hey, we're not going to get off. We're not going to get off.
On January 24th, 2023, at the Frontier ticket counter in Miami International Airport, two female passengers erupted into chaos after being informed by an employee that they could not board their flight to Atlanta due to being 45 minutes late. The situation escalated when one of the women threw a plastic sign holder at an employee.
Hold on. Isn't this a coincidence? The video I dropped, I think they was in another part of Florida, maybe Orlando or something. And the chick was from New York, but she lives in Atlanta. Why? What's going on with Florida and Atlanta, man? What's going on, man? That correlation there is pretty crazy.
Causing a severe injury to her employee that they could not board their flight to Atlanta due to being 45 minutes late. The situation escalated when one of the women threw a plastic sign holder at an employee, causing a severe injury to her nose.
Here when it happened. Here, why don't you step over here so I can hear you?
I heard the commotion riding back out right here. I think she threw some of the plexiglass or her phone. I'm not sure exactly. I just know the girl go, ah, and then blood.
Okay.
And then they were raising Cain.
Okay.
Two females. I did take a picture or a video I didn't get this, which I wish I would have, but I was more worried about
watching it and
making sure everything was right, and
right.
the reason why is because it almost got out of hand. The officers approached rather gently, if you ask me. They approached smartly, but let's calm this thing down. So they did a good job there. The one girl was just off the hook. The one with the colored hair in the, let's see, so I can reference the girls and you'll know who's who.
you had one in pink.
Yeah, she's the second girl. So this is the second girl. This is the first girl that caused the biggest commotion right there.
Okay.
So the one in the pink was causing the commotion, but not at first. She spun out, she bled off the other girl, she saw it going off. Get off my friend, get off my friend. You know what I mean? Going off, dropping F-bombs. That's because two officers approached her because she's out of control. Then she got out of control and he tried to approach her and then calm her down. And then she was like, don't touch me, I ain't done nothing wrong. So he was kind of like a little passive, which is fine.
Classic case of trying to back your friend gets you in trouble. The one girl is the one that's causing all of the problems, but the friend wants to hop in it, to feel like she got her girl back or whatever, even though the girl that's causing the commotion is probably in the wrong. So now you end up dragging yourself in it and getting yourself in trouble as well.
Okay.
Then they smartly moved her out of here. I mean, she's going crazy and spazzing out, and they had to put her down to the ground at some point. I was like, they need to put her down. They were too nice on us.
Yeah.
That's when the other girl got.
If you made it this far in the video, I know that you're enjoying it. We're going to get right back to it in a second, but I just want you to do a couple of things. First things first, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, hit all. Then if you're enjoying the content, make sure you check out our members only content. You would click on join, check out our supporter package for $4.99, where you get badges, custom emojis. You're just showing your gratitude to the channel. Comment priority. I do not comment very often on videos, but I will reply to you. If you have any video suggestions, you can definitely let me know. We will get to it. And early access to all new videos. Now check out VIP. You get everything in the supporter package, but you also get member shout outs, right? I will shout you out on the video, and members only exclusive videos. Now that I've explained all that, thank you so much for your support. Let's get back to the video.
And the two officers were down. I had gotten off my bike now, and I saw her coming, and I was ready to jump on her at any moment because he had to catch up, and she had full access to a gun, his gun, one of the officers.
Right.
And that's what I was worried about, so that's why I stayed. Normally I get the hell out of there. It's none of my business. So I saw that he tackled her and did a great job, and they got her cuffed rather quickly. This one took a longer time, and that was pretty much.
Do you know what the fight was about? Did you hear what it was about?
No, but I already suspect from Frontier, probably the world's dangerous job.
Right.
Frontier and Spirit ticket counter.
Right.
It's probably because they don't have their seat, or they don't have they have to pay for the boarding pass, or pay for the extra bag, pay for your backpack. It's all on the airline's issue, you know what I mean?
Okay.
But the officers approached smartly and then did a good job. And, I just was worried about their safety.
You know why Frontier and Spirit is the most dangerous airlines or jobs, right? Because it's low ticket. So, you know what? I should say it's not necessarily low ticket, but it gives the illusion that it's low ticket, because once you get done paying for everything, it damn near come out to the same price as like Southwest or American Airlines or any of these JetBlue. A lot of the times, because you're paying for everything individually, but the natives like to feel like they're getting a deal. So a lot of, people that ain't got it fly, Spirit and Frontier and stuff like that or whatever, because let's just keep it a band. It's a ghetto airline. That's the easiest way to put it. So there's always problems going on that airline, for sure.
Okay, so you saw the throw the phone or the plastic thing, you thought?
I think it's the plastic.
Right.
Cut her in the face. When I looked, because it was going crazy, I was kind of minding my own business. I kind of just sitting on my bike like this, what's going on? That's when I seen the other girl go like this, and instant blood coming from her face from the ticket counter lady.
Okay.
And then the officers were about right here. They finally approached as they're going ballistic. And then
Did you see them attack the officers at all at any time?
Yeah, I did see the girl in the pink pants, the non-starter, became a fuel to the fire. She did, I would say she did, in my opinion, she attacked the two officers.
Two officers, yeah.
Yeah, and that's why I was this, I got, if she even went near that gun, I was going to tackle her shit out of her myself. So,
Okay.
Yeah, so I would say, yes, first of all, they attacked the officer here. The one girl by herself. She was nasty and spinning and kicking and everything, and they did everything kind of trying
Gently,
to stand off.
right.
And so she was resisting arrest for sure and attacking assault on the officer, and then the other one was assault on two officers down on the ground and potentially could have been shot.
Okay.
I mean, if he didn't know the situation and you saw this thing and you saw a girl running after her and the way their guns were sticking up like this, she's coming from the back.
Okay.
So, but yeah.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you. And I know he has your name, so
Yeah.
good. I'll reach out to you if I need anything. Thanks,
Yeah,
Tim.
no problem. Easy day.
Thanks, bud.
Que si puedes caminar. Where did you say where the going?
I'm getting the info. I'm getting her info now. What happened?
Ellos entran para acá o ellos.
Hello, there was passenger, it was a lot of witnesses.
Lee Morrison. He is one of those TSA guys on a bike. That's his contact number. He heard a loud commotion, caught his attention. He looked over and saw the subject.
Pink. The one in pink.
The one in pink, through unknown item. He didn't see what item it was.
This.
What is this stuff?
What's this called?
This.
Clipboard.
Display, plastic display?
Plastic display.
Sign display? Plastic sign display.
Exactly.
No, rescue is supposed to be coming.
So unknown item at her face. Immediately saw blood coming from her face. Observed Miami-Dade County officers arrived and saw the two subjects in the system. What else do you need, bro?
No, that's it, I guess. For now. She was being with them.
Okay.
She's got rate. She says you can't get a refund. You're the one's late. She was helping her friend that was polite and everything else, but then she goes, what, you're helping her get the refund? I go, you guys can't fly. She got crazy irate, grabbed one of these plastic signs, displays, and threw it, hit her right in the top of the nose, and then we had TSA tight agent heard the commotion, and when he started turning around, they came this way, saw the thing flying and hitting her in the face.
She threw shit at the counter, then they came over, they calmed him down, and they immediately the fuck off of me. And then they tried to do it nicely, and they couldn't.
Got it?
Alright, good. She's cuffed? We got
Like I'm cuffed. You talking about my cuff? You clearly see me. Why would you hurting me?
Relax.
Stop pushing my arm up. With you. Give me my phone. Look, do you not see this? Do you not see this? You're trying to hurt my body on my mama. Get the fuck up this ground. Get the fuck up this ground. Get the fuck up this ground.
Relax. Relax. Relax.
Get me off the ground. Give me my phone so I can call my mama.
You're not going to call no one for now, okay? Relax.
Hey Siri.
Relax.
Hey Siri. Get the fuck off of me. Get off me.
Hey, we're not going to get off you, okay? Relax.
Stop grabbing me.
You need to relax.
Man, this ghetto ass shit, man. Ghetto, man. Ghetto ass shit, bruh. People, I don't know. People are very entitled nowadays, man. They think everything is just supposed to go their way. Like, that lady is just there working and you gonna throw the thing at her. Like, come on, man. Come on. Like, and then you already cuffed. Just, it's done. It's over with. Like, anything that you do now is just going to give you more charges. It doesn't even make sense, bruh.
You need to
You can do
relax.
that all you want. You can do that all you want. You can do that all you want. You're not hurting me at the end of the day. Get the f off of me.
Who raises these people, man? God damn.
Oh, the victim.
Transport 239 outside door 13.
Can you let go of my arm?
Let's take her outside so we don't
Okay, then let go of my hand.
Hey, listen, Anna. Hey, relax. Okay, relax. Hey, relax. You relax. You're gonna move, or we're gonna move you. Hey, you're moving because we're telling you you're gonna move. Okay.
You gotta break my arm. She wasn't worried about breaking that lady nose, man. Shit, making her bleed and all types of stuff, man. Now, you gotta break my arm. Listen, those are techniques and holds that they use to get you to comply. Like, because they lift your arm in the back because it'll make you lean forward. And it does apply some pain, you know what I'm saying? But it gets you to, do what you gotta do. If she was just chilling, they wouldn't do that. They would just hold her, like, her arm. They would just hold her arm, to the side, like kind of how they do normal people. But when you start resisting and being loud and obnoxious and all that, yeah, they're gonna apply, some pain maneuvers. It ain't gonna break your arm, though.
I can't wait for him to put these videos up, because I swear to God, you gonna be the first one. What the is that badge?
That's my video right here.
Okay, what's your badge number? What's your badge number?
Relax.
You gotta give me that right. You gotta tell me your badge number.
We'll be on the arrest warrant.
Relax. I'm relaxed. He's grabbing me, trying to hurt me.
Boo, have a seat. You keep trying to pull away. Stop.
I'm not. You get, bro. I'm not mother's grave. You finna rub me. Hey, all y'all pig ass, you a disgrace. You a disgrace to the race, you black. I swear to God. You're a disgrace. 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 I hate the police. All y'all some. I swear to God, y'all don't help nobody do nothing. All y'all crack a pig ass and you too. You want to be like these crackers? Okay. Fuck you. Disgrace. Kiss my ass. And I'm going to burn out same day, so this is a waste of time. What's wrong with you?
The women faced charges of resisting arrest with violence, aggravated battery, and disorderly conduct. After each posted a $500 bond, they were released from jail. Additionally, both suspects received a lifetime ban from Frontier Airlines.
It don't matter. That lifetime ban do not matter. You know why? Because they just gonna go over the spirit.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam, 2K shit that get a nigga lean.